Beneath the shimmering waves and deep within the emerald jungles lies a world of extraordinary creatures, each adapted to their unique realm. The ocean, a vast and mysterious expanse, is home to graceful dolphins, elusive octopuses, and mighty whales that navigate the endless blue. Meanwhile, the jungle teems with life-colorful parrots, stealthy jaguars. Starfish don't have a brain or blood. Instead, they use a water vascular system to circulate nutrients and move. Starfish move using hundreds to thousands of tiny tube feet on their underside, which also help them grip and pry open prey. Starfish have simple eye spots at the tip of each arm that detect light and dark. Sea lions are found along coastal waters in the Pacific Ocean from North America to South America and across Asia and Australia. Sea lions face threats from pollution, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change. The stellar sea lion, the largest species, is listed as near threatened, with some populations still recovering from past declines. Sea lions are highly intelligent and capable of learning complex tasks and commands. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. Humpback whales are large baleen whales, growing up to 60 feet, 18 meters, long and weighing up to 40 tons. Humpbacks are found in oceans worldwide, from the polar regions to the tropics, and migrate thousands of miles annually. Humpback whales migrate up to 16,000 miles, 25,000 kilometers, round trip every year, the longest migration of any mammal. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Leopards are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even deserts. Leopards are mostly solitary and territorial animals. They are primarily active at night, nocturnal, hunting and patrolling their territory. Leopards often drag their prey up into trees to keep it safe from scavengers like hyenas. Turtles lay eggs, usually in sand or dirt. The temperature of the nest can determine the sex of the hatchlings. Turtles, especially tortoises, are known for their slow movement, but sea turtles can swim fast up to 22 miles per hour, 35 kilometers per h. Some turtles hibernate during winter by slowing their metabolism and staying underwater or underground. Turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, their favorite food, leading to injury or death. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead species, like the scalloped and great hammerhead, are listed as endangered due to overfishing and finning. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Dolphins are warm-blooded mammals. They breathe air through a blowhole and nurse their young with milk. Dolphins have large, complex brains relative to their body size. They exhibit advanced problem-solving, self-awareness, and social behaviors. Dolphins let one hemisphere of their brain rest at a time, allowing them to keep swimming and watch for predators. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen, a moss-like plant often called reindeer moss. Reindeer migrate farther than any other land mammal, up to 3,000 miles, Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, oceans, like sea snakes, and even urban areas. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with camouflage when hunting. Orcas have complex brains and exhibit behaviors like teaching, learning, cooperation, and problem-solving. Orcas in marine parks have shown signs of stress and shortened lifespans. The Blackfish documentary brought widespread attention to this issue. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with These ecosystems share a common thread: the incredible diversity of life that thrives in their depths and heights. Exploring these two worlds reveals striking contrasts and surprising parallels. In the ocean, creatures rely on currents, sonar, and bioluminescence to survive the dark abyss,